How to create DHgate account. Let's get started. First off, make sure you have already downloaded the DHgate app on your device. If not, you can head towards the Play Store or App Store, search for the app DHgate and download it. Once completion of its download process, launch it. You'll land to this kind of page. Now at the bottom, you're going to find different options. Navigate to the option of account. Once you're in the account page, at the top you'll see the option of sign in or join. Click on that option. Now different options will appear. You can use your email address, Apple ID, Facebook account or Google account to create your account. For this video, I'm going to use Facebook. You can also use the Facebook. All you have to do is click on the option of Facebook. Now click on continue. Now go ahead and type in your Facebook account's credentials, mobile number or email address and the password. After you type in the credentials, go ahead and click on login. Click on continue. And just with that, your account will be created. So this way you can easily create your DHgate account. So this was really simple and quick process. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.